Here's a unique and engaging story for beginner English learners. The cloud that wanted to touch the ground. Once upon a time, high up in the sky, lived a fluffy cloud named Cleo. Cleo was different from the other clouds. While they loved to float and dream, Cleo yearned to touch the ground. Why can't I touch the ground? She'd ask the other clouds. Because we are clouds, they'd reply. We belong in the sky. But Cleo longed to feel the soft grass beneath her feet, to see the world from below. One day, she decided to try. She gathered all her strength and started to descend. The other clouds gasped. Cleo, you'll disappear, they cried. But Cleo continued to fall. As she got closer to the ground, the air grew warmer. She felt the wind rushing past her, the sun warming her sides. Finally, she touched down. It was wonderful. The ground was soft and green, and there were flowers of every color imaginable. Cleo danced amongst the flowers, happy as could be. But soon the sun began to warm her up too much. She started to melt, slowly turning into tiny raindrops. Sad, Cleo realized that she couldn't stay on the ground forever. But she wasn't disappointed. She had touched the ground, and that was an adventure she would never forget. She floated back up to the sky, now wiser and happier than ever. She learned that sometimes the best adventures are the ones that are a little bit different.